Hi everybody! Again, this is Internet Hunter. Welcome to Amazing Growth, a teacher and a developmental intervention specialist. I am working with my beautiful princess, Amira. Amira, say hi.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So today we're going to be doing letters, using our fine motor skills to learn letters, sorting letters. This activity is actually really good for fine motor skills, and it also helps letters, recognitions, and sound. So you can do so many things with it. Today we're going to open the box, right? And we're going to explore. Yes. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Clack, clack, clack. Creepy, creepy, Charlie, creepy. Put them on your lap. Open. So this actually is supposed to be 26 letters of the alphabet. Now we are going to do letter mapping. Open it. Wow! Is it a surprise? Look at what we have. We have a thumb like we did the last time where we can actually find the letters.
It's my turn.
And we have, look at what we have.
It's soft.
It is soft. It's almost like we have like a plastic sensory grains here. These are so good for fine motor skills. They really help a busy child calm down. Yes. Okay, Amira. Listen. Look at me. Listen. Rules number 1. Eye watching. That means your eye is supposed to be watching what I'm doing. Remember? And then rules number 2.
Listen.
Ears listening. You have to listen to what Miss Hunter is saying. That means when Miss Hunter is talking, you get to wait and listen quietly. You use your listening ears. And what does rules number 3 say?
Voice is quiet.
Voice is quiet. That means when Miss Hunter is trying to explain or is talking, just like we are in the classroom, when I am talking, Amira gets to listen and your voice has to be quiet. You're not supposed to try to interrupt me.
So this noise.
Yes, we have to listen. Right? And then your body has to be
calm.
Very good. High five. That means, what does that mean? You don't touch until Miss Hunter say, Amira, can you get it? That's when you touch.
And open shut.
Well, we're going to open and shut, but remember the rules remains the same. We'll take out. Now I'm going to take this. I'm going to open. Thank you. Now we're working together. Let's pour it out. Help me pour it, Amira. Help pour it. Easy. We don't want to make a mess because this is so nice. Oh, wow. See how nice this is? This is really nice and soft. Nice and soft. Amira, you want to feel it? Feel it inside. Feel. Touch it. It's actually plastic, but it's very soft. Now, Amira, you want to close your eyes?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Don't cheat, Amira. Close your eyes, Amira. Don't cheat. Oh, Amira. Don't cheat, Amira. Close your eyes. Open. Look, what do I have in here? I have all the letters. Now let's get the cards. So we have to line up with the cards and try to see if we can find the letters. And remember, your name start has a letter. It starts with the letter A. Wait, remember the class rules. Listen, I'm still talking. Let's help me put the cards down. Can we put the cards down on the table? No, here are the cards. The cards are here. Just place the cards on the table right there. Put them down. Thank you. Put this down. Thank you. Put this down. Thank you. Put this down. Thank you. How many cards do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, Now we're going to use our tweezer. Let's practice using the tweezer. Go like this. See? You have two here. You have to close, open. Close, open. Let's find the letter. Wow, you found the letter I. Where is the I? Right here. Put it right there. Let's see. The I. What sound does the I make? The I make what sound? It's a road map. It's a road map. So we're going to start. You find the letter when you get here. That means the letter say that's yes. The letter say I says E. E. Right?
Red.
Igloo.
A.
Let's find what letter is that? Y is for yo. Yeah. Y. Y goes there. Nice Y. Amira, you finding your letters really nicely. Good job. Amira found the letter Y. Take this out. Let's see. Is it my turn now or is it your turn?
My turn.
Okay, I'll wait. When it's my turn, you let me know. Wow, what letter did you find? What letter is that? Is that the letter K?
Yeah.
It is the letter K, and the K makes a sound. Can you say K? Good job. Let's find another letter.
Red.
We have
Red. I don't know. It's red.
What letter are you looking for?
No. I found
Oh, I see lots of letters there.
No.
What letter are you looking for? D? Are you looking for the letter D?
No.
What letter? Maybe I can.
Find it.
Maybe I can help.
Help.
Well, when you find the letter D, you get to have a bubble. You get to have bubble.
Okay.
Find the letter D so you can have bubbles. Uh-oh. Find the letter D. Quick. Where's the D? Wow, you found the letter D. Where's your bubble? Remember, you have to use your tweezer. Bubble. Amira, go ahead. Good job. Look, you have to turn. Can you turn the D like that?
Yeah.
Wow, pop. Go ahead, find
My
another
turn.
letter. Now you do this first. You do this. Then you have your turn. Letter H. Let's
Where?
look for the letter H.
I found it.
Well, that's Q. It's fine. Q is fine too. You can put the Q in.
I found it.
H says, my name start with the letter H. Hunter, right? Hunter.
Hunter.
Yeah, blow. Ah! Go ahead, blow. Wow. Now you need to find more letters. Let's go. Find more letters so you can pop that bubble. You wanna blow more bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay, find the letters.
A.
A, where does it go? Whose name start with the letter A? Whose name?
Mira.
Amira! Yes! Amira's name begins with the letter A. Do you know anybody else in the classroom whose name begins with letter A?
It's Mira A.
And who else?
It's Mira
Do you have
A.
a friend
Yeah, Mira A.
who starts with the letter A? What about Anu? Anu. Is that your friend?
Yeah.
And who else in
It's
the class?
Mira.
Just Amira?
Yeah, it's Mira A.
Amira, A for Amira. Okay, that's fine. Amira, you won the bubble. Blow your bubble. Blow. Whoa! So let's get more letters. Let's find more letters. Oh, what letter is that one? S. S. You found the letter S. Silly Amira, you're gonna blow it again. Blow. Oh, Pop, good job, Amira. You're doing a good job. Faster, faster. That's the letter W right here. That's the letter W right there. Let's turn it. That's how the letter W said wah, 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 wah. Let me give you bubbles. Blow. Oh. You want to do more?
Yeah.
Okay. Amira, come here. Let's find more letters. Go ahead, find more letters. Faster, faster. Oh, great. What letter is that one? What letter is that? Q. That's the letter Q. More bubbles. Okay. Whoa! You're gonna do more bubbles?
Yeah.
You want to slow like this. You want to be very slow. See that? You get to have more bubbles. Would you like to do more?
Yeah.
Say I want. I want bubbles.
Bubble.
Yes, you said it. Blow it. Good job. Pop, pop, pop. You see that? You said I want bubbles. And I give you bubbles. Good job. Very good. You do more. Find all your letters. Hurry. You're almost done with the letters. What else? What other letters? You found the letter T.
That's one.
Yay! Find the letter U so you can get more bubbles. Letter U. Let's see. And it's right here. We can turn it that way so you can get
Yeah. Where's he?
right here. We don't have a Z. The Z is missing. So let's use the U. You want to get a U? Find the U. Let's do a U.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Where does it go? Find the U. Right here. Is that a U? That's a U. Yeah. Go ahead, because we have to do more bubbles.
Yeah.
So where's the U? Where's another one? Another letter.
C.
That's a Z?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. So let's find the R. It looks like the Z card is missing. Can we do the letter R?
Yeah.
Right here. That's the letter R. I see you R right there. R. R. That is so good. Amira. Amira. You ready to make bubbles?
Yeah.
I want bubbles. Can you say that? I
want bubbles.
Very good. Slowly, remember? Wow! That was very soft. Did you hear yourself when you blow the bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have fun? You have one more letter. Why don't you do that letter? Let's find it.
I found it. Yeah.
What letter is that one? Let's see if we can turn this Z into an N when you put it like this. Oh, oops. Silly Z. You look so funny trying to be N. Z, you trying to be N. You put the J right here. Right there. Turn it over the other way. Uh-oh. It's like an umbrella. Oh, J. Your turn. Is that a J? Oh, this way. Like that. Wow! Yay, Amira! Would you like to have bubbles?
Yeah.
What do
Slow.
you say? I want bubbles. Can you say it? I want bubbles. Good job. Gonna give you bubbles. Beautiful bubbles. That bubble went right down. You gonna do more?
Yeah.
Okay, let me do more. Softly. You want more? What do you say? I. Say it louder.
I want bubbles.
Oh, that's beautiful, softly. Oh, let me give it to you. Softly. Oh, silly bubbles. Try it again. Softly. It's not gonna come out. Try this one time. Oh, what's happening to the bubbles? Bubbles? Don't do that to Amira. Bubbles. So now we're going to sing C, E, say, it's signing. You show me how to say C, E, say, it's signing. The letters of the alphabet. C, E, say, it's signing. The letters of the alphabet. A. This is the letter A. Say goodbye, letters. We're all done. What do you say? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.